It's winter time again, and we've got back to the old age problem of the Land Rover door locks seizing during the cold weather. I've tried lubrication and degreasing them in the lock itself here, but it doesn't seem to work. I've squirted WD-40 and various other lubricants up into here to try and release it, but I didn't have any luck. I've taken the door card off, as you can see, and I've made a few minor adjustments here. I don't know whether you'd like to try either one of these three methods, which has worked for me. The first one is this rod at the back, as you can see, has got some thread on. If you just carefully dismantle the end of the rod here and taking off the spring clip, wind down the thread so you've got more play. That's one way I did it, and just twisting the rod round the other way. Also on the back here you've got two holes. The factory setting was originally in this low hole here. Try putting it in the higher one up here, which will give more pressure to open the door. That's another idea. Behind here, I don't know whether you can see, probably not, because the camera angle is the bottom of the lever, which moves in and out when the door lever is depressed. It's a brass metal plate. Behind that brass metal plate you've got a rod that goes through to the switch. It's a plastic rod, and on the end of it is a Phillips screw. Unwind that screw slightly and it'll give you more leverage. It'll just increase the distance. All those three I've done slightly, and it seems to have cured the problem. A nice firm push on there, and you can see the lever seems to work. So try any one of those three, but I didn't have any luck with the lubrication, and it's taken me a bit longer than I thought, but it's all up and running again and seems to be working fine. I'm now going to degrease the whole area around here, including in the back, and grease it up, not using lithium grease because that seems to clog things up, but maybe a light grease or some WD-40. But that's my solution, and as I say, it's on a an old 2002 Defender.